If you're not making money daily in the forex market just like this as you are seeing here, the question is when. So in this video, I want to share with you the tools that I use to analyze the market and get better every day and be profitable. So I'll be sharing with you tips and strategies that I use to get better risk management and also some other stuff that you need to know. Okay, first of all, I want to share with you my broker that I use. If you use my broker, I will leave the link in the description of this video and also the comment section. You will get 100% deposit bonus, and also I've created a WhatsApp channel where you will get to copy my trade and make money daily while you are learning. There's nothing as better as that. So in that channel, I will be sharing with you daily tips on how to get better, how to grow, and also I'll be posting every trade that I took or that I take every day in that channel, so that you can copy my trade and trade exactly like me and make money while you are learning. Okay, moving on. The tools that you're going to use in this video today, or we'll be talking about today, is what they call TradingView. Is a platform where you get to analyze the market daily. So I will also share with you the indicators that I use in that very app to trade the market, to predict where the market is going. And as you know, if you are new to forex, you can make money when the market is going up. You can also make money when the market is coming down, so you can buy and sell and make money. So before we move on, if you have any question or topic that you want us to create video for, kindly leave it in the comment section. And also uh, do not forget to like and share this video with your friends. Moving on, I will take you to my phone screen now, so that I will show you how to set up your trading view and the tools that you need, or the indicators that you need to use to get better, or that will give you at least a 70% chance of you succeeding in your daily trades. Okay, if you are a pro trader, please kindly share your ideas in the comment section so that other people can also learn from you. Thank you so much. And then let me go back to my phone screen now, so that you can get to see what I use to predict the market. Okay, I think I've said a lot. Let's get started. All right, guys, this is TradingView app. You can use the web version if you are using desktop. Okay, once you download this app into your phone, sign up, and then open the app. Once you open the app, click on chat. Once you click on chat, you select the pairs that you want to trade. Once you select the pairs that you want to trade, you click on the plus sign, and then search the name of the indicator. The name of the indicator I'm going to discuss with you in this video is called market structure by MREP. So once you click on indicators, search for it, market structure by MREP, then you favorite it and also activate the indicator by clicking on it. Just click and hold, it will show you that the indicator has been added to your chart. So once that is done, you go back to your chart. You go back to your chart, and then the indicator will display what you are seeing here. You can see the red zone, you can also see the green zone. Those red and green tells you where to enter the market and where to exit. So currently you can see this let me use a 4-hour time frame for you to see it better. You can see that green zone that is displaying there. So this green zone that I just circled is when the market gets to that point and it did not break below that green zone, and then the market now move up a bit and you see a bullish candle that move above that green zone, it tells you to enter a buy. So that at that point you enter your buy order, then set your stop loss below the green zone. So you can set your stop loss below the previous low candle. Then once the market gets to that red zone that I just circle up there, you can then close the trade. So you check before you even initiate your trade, and check where the price is at that point. Then you set your take profit at that point. And as same thing goes to if you are selling the market, if you are shorting the market and the market gets to that point, you also enter a sell order. So I'm using a 15-minute candle so that you see what I'm showing you clearly. As you can see that buy that I just circle. So this indicator will also show you when to buy or when to sell. So at this point the market is low to where you should enter a buy order. So it's showing me that I should buy. So you enter your buy order there, then say your stop loss and take profit. Then once the market goes up now, for example, if this market goes up now to the red zone, and then it did not break that red zone that I just circle now, it shows you that the market is ranging. Once the market is ranging and it started dropping down, once the market start dropping down, you see a bearish candle that drop below that red zone. So you enter your sell trade at that point. So you short the market at that point. So I believe this video, as I explained how you can use and set up this indicator on trading view. So I will switch back to a 1 hour candle. You can also see at this point that where the you should enter the sell order. You can see this a bearish candle. Once that bearish candle break below that red zone, you enter your sell order, and this this indicator gives you at least 70% accurate prediction in the market. So I recommend you use this indicator and also do your own personal analysis, and then use price action to also analyze the market. Then couple with this information that this indicator provides, you will get at least 70% win rate when it comes to trading the foreign forex market. So that is all I have to share with you in this video. Hit the like button, also subscribe to this channel if you find this video interesting, and if you have question that you want us to make video for, kindly share it in the comment section. We'll gladly do video regarding that. So thank you so much for staying tuned. I will see you guys next time.